Could your oscilloscope measurements be made more efficiently? Our point, there is a more accurate and efficient way to make oscilloscope measurements. The HP 54201 A&D 300 MHz digitizing oscilloscopes not only provide a more efficient alternative to conventional measurement tools, they offer unprecedented capabilities for a multitude of applications. Even as designs become more complex, the HP 54201 actually makes finding solutions quicker and easier. Let's start with instrument setup. A scaled display of a wide range of inputs is available at the push of a button. Autoscale and ECL and TTL presets automatically set up the instrument to capture and display a variety of signals. For quick return to previous measurements, the HP 54201 offers 4 non-volatile memories in which instrument setups may be saved and recalled. To ensure fast, repeatable measurements every time, the HP 54201 offers 12 built-in measurement routines. These not only eliminate operator error, they eliminate the time it takes to manually position the waveform and count graticules. The delay measurement retains maximum, minimum, or average signal delay values, ideal for measuring worst-case setup and hold times on logic signals. And for precise examination of particular points of interest, time and voltage cursors measure with 200 picosecond accuracy. Single-shot events require a fast digitizing rate. The HP 54201 offers a 200 megasample per second digitizing rate on 2 channels simultaneously, so that fast transients are easily captured. Pre-trigger viewing allows the user to see what happened before the trigger event. A high-resolution display and an expand mode allow you to examine the transient in detail. With 4 non-volatile memories allowing you to compare stored waveforms to live waveforms. Taking the guesswork out of jitter, noise, and drift measurements is another benefit of the HP 54201, offering versatile display and store modes. An envelope mode retains the maximum and minimum excursions of repetitive waveforms. The accumulation mode retains all previous data acquisitions on screen while continuing to gather and display waveform information. This allows the user to find that infrequent glitch that has been causing problems. An average mode extracts the signal from uncorrelated noise, allowing the user to probe in noisy environments. Plus, with the HP54201, you can remove common mode noise from differential signals using Waveform Math, which includes waveform subtraction and addition. With the increased use of microprocessors in today's electronic products, using an oscilloscope as a general-purpose troubleshooting tool has become a challenging task. The HP54201D model offers a 27-channel wide state trigger that easily triggers on microprocessor operations. The user may define specific routines as the trigger condition by defining up to 4 sequence terms. A state occurrence counter arms waveform acquisition after a specified number of events. And with the inclusion of a hold-off by events triggering mode found in both A and D models, you're guaranteed the powerful triggering capability required by today's complex designs. When you need to quickly document results, the HP54201 provides one-button hard copy output to HP printers and plotters. Now live and stored waveforms and even instrument setup information is conveniently available for reports, lab notebooks, and presentations. The HP54201 is also completely programmable with a language that provides measurement-oriented English-like mnemonics. Writing and editing test programs is greatly simplified, thus facilitating the development and upkeep of automated test systems. So, when you need to capture and analyze single-shot and repetitive waveforms, you need the HP54201 Digitizing Oscilloscope, providing 300 Megahertz bandwidth, 200 megasample per second digitizing rate, easy instrument setup, automatic waveform measurements, Waveform Math, worst-case display and storage modes, flexible triggering capability, and complete programmability. The HP54201, offering high performance at an economical price. If you're looking for ways of increasing your productivity in design and test, consider Hewlett-Packard's family of digitizing oscilloscopes.